Hey, what's good, people? So today I'm back with a tutorial, and this is I guess it's a basic tutorial, but basics are the most important things for beginners to master. You want to master things from the floor up. Okay, there's certain things that you might take for granted, but those are the things that could actually ease you into understanding things faster and better. So I am today going to show you how to navigate and make the most out of a very important website. You've probably seen me use it in one of my videos, but I didn't really give you a proper rundown or run through. And that website is Coinmarketcap, right? So this is Coinmarketcap. At a glance, you're probably just going to see the, different cryptocurrencies, 24-hour price changes, whether it's gone up or down and everything. And that's, there's a lot of other stuff around, but you're probably thinking it's adverts. But there's actually a lot more that you can get if you navigate the site properly. It's so informative. So at a glance, the things that you might miss are little information like this, like cryptos. There's like 14,800 coins or whatever. Okay, so if in case somebody ever asks you, so how many cryptocurrencies are there? Well, you can always come up here and you can always tell them. I don't know if it's all of them, but I'd say the ones that matter at least. That's a lot anyway. You probably won't even need to know, I don't know, 14,000 something else of them. But that's that. You'll get exchanges. This is the different exchanges that are available for you to buy coins, trade coins, swap coins, whatever. There's about 433. Now, I never knew for a while that there was so many exchanges like that, because I only know a few. So that's quite mind blowing to know that there's so many places that you can do all your trading and swapping and stuff. Market cap. This is the total market capitalization of the cryptocurrency space, right? So all the cryptocurrencies put together, and whatever the calculations they'll do for that market cap. It is 2.6 trillion. Okay, that's for the total cryptocurrency space. Okay, and then the 24-hour volume that's been traded is about 143 billion. And the dominance. Now, people that saw, I think I did a video maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago speaking about dominance. So the people that watched that video know what this is about. I'll just break it down quickly anyway, but dominance, like say Bitcoin dominance, is 41.7%. What that means is that of this total market cap of the cryptocurrency space, 41.7% is Bitcoin. So that's a big chunk, and 20% of it is Ethereum. Now, being at 41%, it's been dropping, which to people that watch that video know that means that the money is flowing into other blockchains. So we can expect be expecting some really, really upward movement in the smaller coins, in the altcoins. So altcoins are alternative coins. It's basically every coin that isn't Bitcoin, including Ethereum is called an altcoin. So every other coin that isn't Bitcoin. And that will range from large caps, mid caps, small caps, and micro caps. They're all altcoins, and I'll probably do a video that's separate about that for that. ETH gas is at 103 Gwei. So ETH gas, that's the transaction fee that you'll be paying to make any transactions on the Ethereum network. So if you're swapping coins on an, MetaMask or whatever, you will be paying a gas fee, which is 103 Gwei. It does fluctuate. It goes up and down. So it's never always the same. And that's the fee that you pay the miners on the Ethereum blockchain to process your transaction, basically. That's where it goes. So that's the top. Actually, there you can also switch languages. There's quite a few languages that you can switch over there. It's not like, every language, but there's quite a few that you can change there in case your English isn't your language. You might find yours there. You can change the currency to whatever what works for you and what you want to see it in. And here is this little moon here. You can change it into light mode or night mode. So that's something for you to know in case whatever you want to, how you want to see it. This Coinmarketcap here, you click that to just get to the home page. We're at the home page, so you won't see the change. So that will take you to the home page in case you're anywhere else and you just want to go to the home page quickly. Cryptocurrencies. This drop down will show you ranking. Usually the ranking is on market cap. So it'll show you from the highest market cap to the lowest market cap. And then you can see, coins that if you wanted to see anything that's new and you probably want to try and jump in early or just, see what's new and maybe you might get an early opportunity, just go on recently added and then they'll be listed there. You can go on price estimates, that's all other stuff. But things like, say if you go on Spotlight, right, you'll just kind of get like a snapshot of things that you need, the trending coins. The biggest gainers, so you can see the biggest gainers there, and then the biggest losers. This is all good information that you probably want to see the coins that have dropped big time that are good, because sometimes you'll get coins that'll just crash and then you manage to get in at a nice entry price so that you can hold. So nice for the big losers. You can, the most visited, the recently added. So that's just a snapshot of everything that's there. So that's cryptocurrencies. So this is all information that you can get from this site. And this is all important information for research and, decision making. Exchanges, this is just showing you the different exchanges. So if you want to find the spot exchanges that are available, you just click on spot and you got them listed there. And then if you want decentralized exchanges, you can just click there. If you want to go and trade derivatives, you can just click there. And stuff like that. NFTs, if you're interested in NFTs, you can always go there and just check out the, whatever information you want to check out, the NFT statistics, top collections, upcoming sales. It's always good. Upcoming sales are quite good as well because you can get them cheap before they blow up. So you can get this for 0.5 Sol if you get it in early on time, and then maybe you can later on sell it for way more than that, depending on all the information that's available. Like this one, there's only 999 otters, I think, something like that. So there's a high possibility that if you get something like this, the price is probably going to be going up in the next few weeks when they're sold out or whatever. But scarcity always creates value, right? Portfolio, let's go on portfolio. So portfolio, now what this does is that if you probably got coins on different exchanges. You bought coins on different exchanges, right? You want to probably monitor their performance in one place. You can do that here. So you just go on create profile and just put, Teacher's profile and create portfolio. And then you add the coins. Say I bought Bitcoin, and then I'll put the quantity of Bitcoin that I bought, the price and the date, and all of this information will create the accuracy of the the profits that I'm making or the losses that I'm making, and it's all going to be in one place. So you can do that if you want to keep all your you probably bought some stuff is probably in your MetaMask and some is a different exchange and whatever you put it all together there and you can monitor them and just so that's portfolio. Now watch list, this is kind of like where you're gonna see some coins that you probably haven't bought yet, or you've got some coins and then you're waiting for good entry points and you're just watching them so that you just have them in one place so you can just keep track of their performance. And then you come and just check, so Ethereum has gone down at this much, okay, that's a good entry point, and then you can probably buy if you wanted to buy whatever you want to do there. So how you can create a watch list. Say if you're on the home page or whatever, there's a little star. All you have to do is just click on the star. And once you click on the star, you go to your watch list, you see that it's there. Okay? And if you want to remove it, you just click on that watch list again. Okay? You can share your watch list. So if you want to share this watch list, all I have to do is just click on share, copy the link, and then I can share it. If I want to create a new watch list, I just click on that little arrow there and then create a new watch list. And then you can probably just call it DeFi. And that's going to create, you can just put your DeFi tokens in that watch list. Again, whatever you want to describe it as. If you want to share it and make it public, you can do that. Coin, whatever, and create your watch list. You can also add coins by going on add coins, and then you just scroll down and add whatever you want to add. And the way you can also search for coins, in case you just want to search for something instead, you just go there and then you type whatever you want to type in, and then the coin comes up, and then you open it up, and then you can click on the star and add it. And what this search bar does as well, it shows you the trending coins at the top there, and then it shows you also your search history. So that's that there. What else do you think I should show you? So let's go on there. So another thing is that as well, if you want to buy coins, right, the best thing to do is, say you want to buy Solana, or you want to go on their website, right? You click on the actual coin, and this is where all the information, the links, the legitimate links associated with this cryptocurrency are. So if you want to go to their website, click on that Solana and go there. That will be their website. Okay? So you know you're on their website, because what happens is that when you go on Google to Google some of these websites, there's scam websites, there's mirror websites. So that's another very, very powerful tip for you to know, so that you don't get scammed easily. Okay? So that's their website. Explorer, community. So this is like the, where you'll go, and the Solana community, Twitter, Reddit, forums, whatever, and chats. That's the Discord. This is the source code. Developers will know what that is. White paper is just their their roadmap and what they're about and stuff like that. So it's this is what a white paper looks like. Like almost every coin has that, and they show you the everything about what Solana is and all of that stuff, right? So that's developers, what they'll probably want to watch. Now, if you also want to know where you can buy that coin, you just click on market, so you know where the which exchanges that coin is available on, because not all coins are available on all exchanges. Some coins aren't available on the big exchanges. You find them on the small exchanges. So Solana, you can see that it's available on all of these exchanges here. All of these exchanges, like 100 exchanges where you can buy Solana. But that's how you know where it's available, if you want to know where to buy it. Because sometimes you're going to be given a coin, like say, I don't know, say Meta Hero, right? That hasn't probably gone to many exchanges, but it's only on 16 exchanges, and they're not even the big exchanges. But there you'll go, so you won't find it on places like crypto.com or Binance or whatever, but you'll find it on PancakeSwap, Gate.io, KuCoin, and stuff like that. So this is an important part for you to also know. You go on, you click on the coin, and then you go on market. Okay, and things like historical data, like, so say you've got your Bitcoin here, right, and you just want to check the chart out. You can also have that information there. So the overview, you click on the overview, but you can also see the chart better in TradingView. So you just click on TradingView. TradingView is a site where you can chart properly like a professional. I'll do a tutorial on TradingView as well, because I'm going to be going through with you on like tools that you need to to just kind of like navigate the space more effectively and more efficiently. So TradingView, you can see your chart there and whatnot. So that's a good thing. On the side, you'll get statistics, all-time highs, like the volume, the price change over the past 24 hours. So Bitcoin's up to 3.6% in the past 24 hours. The trading volume's gone up. So, that's a good thing. It shows you the market cap. It shows you a whole bunch of stuff, and it even shows you like all-time low. $65. Isn't that a dream? Can you look at this, right? Bitcoin's been up 43,582%. It's crazy. But that's everything. And also, when you click on that coin, if you just scroll further down, you can see more about what that coin is about. Right? You understand it more, and you get more information. So that's some of the things that you can utilize on the site. Did I go through everything? We did watch list, and then I didn't do calendars, did I? So calendars Calendars is you're getting information on like when like airdrops or when a coin's going to be released. So airdrops, I haven't talked about airdrops. Airdrops are when people release coins. When they're about to release coins, they usually give out free tokens, just to stimulate adoption. So, but then there's conditions, like you probably have to be on you use a certain blockchain, or you probably want to have traded on, a certain platform. So I know an example is Uniswap. Uniswap did an airdrop last year for coins that ended up being worth thousands per person for anyone that had just used Uniswap. So it was good sometimes to know these things, to know how to use these things, because sometimes you just wake up and you like thousands of dollars rich. There was an airdrop that was recent as well. I can't remember, but I think ENS, they were doing it, like not an airdrop, but they were giving people free coins if you registered a domain name. So those are some of the things that you probably want to get familiar with. And another thing is that if you see these coming, these airdrops, just go on there, see if you can get onto their community somewhere, because then you'll get to be updated on what's going on, and that's where they'll give you the information on what you have to do to qualify for those airdrops and stuff like that, right? So that's a very, 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 very powerful tip, because if you want to get some free money, that's another way of getting some free money in crypto. Okay. Events calendars, just the same thing, where you'll just be looking to see what's coming and what's dropping and whatnot. That's how you can start your day in crypto. That's how you can utilize Coinmarketcap. I think I've talked about everything that I needed to. Actually, another thing, right? Another powerful thing is categories. Now, if you want to invest in the DeFi space, NFT space, or metaverse, you go on categories, right? And then you just scroll down, and find whatever space you want to kind of learn. So here, this is metaverse. So you get all the metaverse coins, and you can see all the performance and everything like that. And now you can start picking what you want to research on and invest in. See? So that's another way. That's another hack. DeFi is already there as a category. You can go through and see all the DeFi coins and stuff like that, NFT coins, and because a lot of times people hear like NFTs are popping, but you don't know like which are the NFT coins. Like, how can I benefit from this boom? This is how you do it. This is how you find what's in that category, and that so you can start investing in them. Yeah, that's a whole bunch of information for you there. I bet you didn't know you could do most of that stuff. That maybe you did, but just for the people that didn't know, this is so important, and I hope it's been useful. I don't think I left anything. If you think I left anything out, just ask anyway. Just ask. And also, some of the stuff, it's just good for you to start clicking and picking on your own, so that you can learn, because some of the times the curiosity is what lands you into new information and stuff like that. Okay. So yeah, that's cool. That's CoinMarketCap done for you, and this is a very powerful site for research, believe it or not. So when people tell you about do your own research, and you're asking them how, in your head you're like, how do I do my own research? This is part of how you do your own research. Okay, so I hope that helps, and thanks guys, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace. This is Titch for Block Smarts.